Welcome to your channel Myra Pro, hope you enjoyed with this video. So, today and in this video I am going to share with you the best cheap Bluetooth earphones you can buy right now. It's not just earphones, it's more than that, so stay and continue until the end of the video to find out more about these earphones. Firstly, when you open the box you'll find a charging box, and you'll find also a storage bag from Wet Cloth, also a pairs earbuds, and a quick start guide. At last you'll find dual Bluetooth earphones inside the charging box. As I said, it's more than a Bluetooth earphones. These earphones has touch control feature. Just touch the earphone lightly to control the functions like power on, power off, call, reject and so on. It has waterproof and sweatproof design to protect earphones from sweat or the rain. These earphone has a truly wireless design, mini and invisible. Also it's ultralight with 5.4 grams. Talking on the battery. It has a double battery, ensures 2-hour continue playing, also has a power saving mode to stay with you up to 48 hours of standby time. But that is not all, it comes with a charging box that comes with 450 mAh battery that allows you to charge the earphones more than 3 times. These charging box will help you to bypass the battery problem. So, all features on these earphones, it's a waterproof, has a touch control, dual earbuds, stereo, long battery life, and built-in microphone. The charging box have a very good design, it's small and pretty, you can put it in your pocket without any problem, so you can take it with you wherever you go. On the back of these charging box you'll find a charging port, and beside it 4 lights help you to know the charge level on the box. Also you'll find a button inside the charging box between the earphones places. These buttons let you turn on or off the earphone charging through the charging box. So, how to connect? It very simple, just a long touch on both earphones until you see the blue light, then go to your Bluetooth setting on your phone and you will find touch 2, tap on it and the earphone will connect with your phone. When you want to turn off the earphones, just a long touch on both earphones until you see the red light on both of them. Now here are a short example of the sound quality and the touch control feature in these earphones. Hope you enjoyed it.
I know I could lie, but I'm telling.
Finally, the audio quality and detail on these earphones have blown me away. They're extremely well balanced and offer a rich, spacious yet natural sound. The level of detail and clarity is way more than I had expected it to be. It's more comfortable, more fit, more stable experience. All I can say is, you should try this earphones. About the price, these earphones will cost you around $25 or less if you purchase it from the link below in the description box. Please help me by sharing this video. You'll not lose anything if you shared this video, and your click on the like button means a lot to me. At last, subscribe on the channel to get my latest videos. Thanks a lot for your time. If you liked this video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get last updates. Thank you for your time.